Finding a job or summer internship can be tough. Even after hours of scouring the internet and submitting hundreds of resumes and cover letters, it can feel like you're still not getting anywhere. That's because 70% of job openings are not even posted online, and that's the only place most of us look. It turns out that most people, over 85% actually, get jobs through networking. But understanding how to network, and more importantly, who's in your network, can be really difficult. That's where Netscale comes in. Built for students at Carnegie Mellon University by students at Carnegie Mellon University, Netscale imports your email metadata to seamlessly guide you through 3 steps of networking. The first one is figuring out which companies are in your network. While other business networking platforms such as LinkedIn can only tell you broad information about who you know in a certain company, Netscale allows you to filter your network by entire industries. Thus, if you want to know which companies in the consulting industry you have the best network in, just click on Consulting. Now that we know which consulting companies we have a network in, we can move on to step 2, figuring out who in our network is best to introduce us to the company. For example, if you wanted to see who should introduce you to Accenture, you would just click on Accenture. And now, it's easy to see that Christina is the first person you should talk to, as she has the highest connection strength. This connection strength represents that Christina has communicated back and forth with someone whose email ends with the @accenture.com email domain quite frequently. Lastly, we need to figure out what is the best way for Christina to introduce us to her contact at Accenture. To figure out where to start, we can access a blog post from the website that tells us exactly which ask is best for this scenario. So there are really only 3 parts to using your network, and Netscale is there to help you every step of the way. It can help you see which companies you know in an industry through industry search, which contact is most qualified to introduce you to the right company through the search results, and give you the knowledge to act through our blog content. Join us, and let us help you figure out what's really in your network.